For months, people have complained of issues with the state's online portal used to file unemployment claims.
Unemployed people can backdate their claims if they face issues applying early on, but the DEO recently announced new guidelines. Consumer investigator Sasha Jones breaks down what you need to know.
Ashley Kaleko is still waiting for her unemployment benefits.
Get anybody on the phone to correct the situation and rectify it because nobody answers the phone. And then every time that I'm on hold, I just get hung up on.
She says she was deemed ineligible for state reemployment assistance, something she says was caused by an error.
It's telling me that it's still pending, but then when you click on it to get further information, it's saying that I only made $56 last year, which is not true, and I don't even know where they got that information.
But once the mistake is straightened out, she says it is vital she receives all the money that she is owed.
Right now, I can't pay my bills, my mortgage, whatever. How long is that going to last before I lose my house, number one?
Back in May, the Department of Economic Opportunity made a web form available online so claimants could modify their claim filing date. This came after people complained for weeks of not being able to submit their applications online, delaying when they could receive benefits. But starting July 6, the DEO says you will now need to call their reemployment assistance hotline and choose option 5 to backdate your claim. Something State Senator Jose Javier Rodriguez says is just another hurdle for unemployed people to jump over.
Not formally, but informally talking with those working at DEO, the option people are being sent to with this quote-unquote new process to adjust the date of your claim is the most overwhelmed phone line. And again, it's not a new process because they created this portal, and the portal has done nothing but create problems for people.
According to the DEO, you may be eligible to backdate your claim if you were unable to file a claim between March 9th and April 9th. We asked what people who had issues filing their state reemployment assistance claims after April 9th should do. We were told they need to call the Customer Service Center to discuss their case with a representative.
During the month of April, things were not great. So the idea that they're cutting it off at April 9th really needs an explanation. And if there's some criteria that they're using to allow people to go beyond April 9th, they probably should tell us what that is.
And when it comes to the federal pandemic unemployment assistance, the DEO says you can backdate those claims to the first week that you were unemployed or unavailable to work due to COVID-19 after those benefits became active at the end of March. In Miramar, Sasha Jones, NBC6 Response.